Hello, eSparkers! We are going to take a close look at the sentences we see on pages that we read. We are going to be looking very carefully for ending punctuation, especially these three kinds: a period, a question mark, and an exclamation point. Let's get started! The first pages we are going to look at are from the book app The Monster at the end of this book. In the very beginning, Grover learns there is a monster at the end of the book and he gets very scared. He tries everything he can to stop the reader from turning the pages. He realizes at the end of the book that he is the monster. Here's what Grover says on this page. "Listen, I have an idea. If you do not turn any pages, we will never get to the end of this book." I see one period right here. That period means it's the end of a sentence. I see another period at the very end. We counted 2 periods, so that means there are 2 sentences on this page. Listen as I read this page. Count the periods when you see them. This will stop you from turning pages. A heavy, thick, solid, strong brick wall. I would just like to see you try to turn this page. Did you count 3 periods like I did? Great work! 3 periods means there are 3 sentences on this page. The next pages we are going to look at are from the book Green Eggs and Ham by Dr. Seuss. Remember at the beginning of the story when the main character says he does not like green eggs and ham, and then for the first half of the book Sam-I-Am tries to change his mind. On the last pages we were looking for ending punctuation called periods to let us know it was the end of the sentence. I don't see any periods on this page, do you? But you know what I do see? Question marks, and question marks are another kind of ending punctuation. Here is one question mark, and here is another one. Periods and question marks both tell you that is the end of a sentence. They are both kinds of ending punctuation. Let's try one last page. This one could get tricky. We have found periods and question marks, and we know that they tell us it's the end of a sentence. There is one more kind of ending punctuation mark that I see on this page. Do you remember the other kind of ending punctuation that we looked at the very beginning of this video? Look right here. Do you remember what that is called? An exclamation point. And that also tells us it's the end of a sentence. I'm going to let you read this page and see if you can count how many sentences there are. Remember, you are looking for periods, question marks, and exclamation points. Do you see all of this punctuation? 3 question marks, 2 exclamation points, and 1 period. That makes 6 altogether, and that means we have 6 sentences. Great job, eSparkers! Now, when you read your other books, you can look out for different kinds of punctuation to tell you how many sentences are on the pages you are reading. This will help you be a super reader!